Listen closely, because before you begin any workout routine or chase another quick fix, you need to understand one powerful truth. Belly fat is not just about appearance, it is about habits. And once you fix those habits, your entire body begins to transform. Your jawline becomes sharper, your face looks cleaner, your clothes fit better. And more importantly, you begin to feel lighter, stronger, and more in control of your health. Today, I want to give you 5 simple steps that will help you burn belly fat naturally, without ever stepping inside a gym. You do not need fancy equipment, extreme workouts, or complicated routines. You just need consistency and the right strategy. Let us begin. The first step is Zone 2 cardio. Most people assume they need to run fast or push themselves to the point of exhaustion to burn fat, but that is not true. Fat burns best when your body is working at a steady, moderate level. Zone 2 is where this happens. It is essentially fast walking. Not the slow walking you do when scrolling on your phone, and not running to the point that you cannot breathe. It is a brisk walk, where your breathing increases slightly, but you can still hold a short conversation. At this pace, your body taps into stored fat for fuel without breaking down muscle. Aim for 30 to 60 minutes of this type of walking 5 to 6 days a week. And if that sounds overwhelming, break it into short walks throughout your day. A walk in the morning, another one after lunch, and another one after dinner will still deliver the same results. Small walks add up, and they are easier to commit to. The second step is getting into a calorie deficit. I will be completely honest with you. If you are not eating in a calorie deficit, nothing else you do will matter. You can walk every day, do home workouts, sweat for hours. But if you are eating more than your body uses, your belly fat will remain exactly where it is. A calorie deficit simply means eating slightly less than what your body burns. When that happens, your body has no choice but to use stored fat for energy. The biggest mistake most people make is thinking they are eating less when they are actually consuming more. That is why tracking your food is so important. You can use any tracking method that helps you stay consistent. Take a picture of your meals, scan your snacks, or log your portions. Once you start tracking, your awareness grows quickly, and you finally understand how much you are truly eating. When tracking becomes easy, consistency becomes automatic. And when consistency becomes automatic, fat loss happens without stress. The third step is doing crunches the right way. Let me clear one common myth. Crunches do not burn belly fat. They never have. What they do is strengthen the muscles underneath the fat. But there is one deep core muscle that actually tightens your waist and makes your stomach look flatter. It is called the transverse abdominis, and most people never activate it. To engage it correctly, lie down and bring your feet a little closer to your body. Keep your hands on your chest or lightly behind your ears without pulling your head. As you come up for the crunch, exhale strongly and pull your stomach inward. Imagine trying to shrink your waist with your breath. This activates the deep core. Do slow, controlled repetitions like this, and you will feel the difference immediately. The fourth step is reducing bloating, because sometimes your stomach looks bigger not because of fat, but because of water retention. Eating salty foods, consuming processed snacks, eating late at night, or not drinking enough water can all cause bloating. When your body feels dehydrated, it holds on to water. When your digestion slows at night, undigested food makes your stomach look puffy in the morning. To fix this, avoid salty and junk foods for a few days. Stop eating 2 hours before sleeping, and drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water a day. These small adjustments can make your stomach look noticeably flatter within a few days. The fifth and final step is shadow boxing. If you want a fun, fast, and zero equipment workout that burns calories quickly, this is perfect. Shadow boxing activates your shoulders, back, arms, and especially your core. Every twist you make helps tighten your waist naturally. You can combine this with skipping or jogging in place for an even bigger calorie burn. A few minutes of shadow boxing mixed with steady movement can burn more fat than many home workouts. You do not need a gym. You do not need expensive equipment. You do not need perfect conditions. You only need consistency. Follow these simple steps day after day, and you will notice your stomach becoming slimmer, your body feeling lighter, and your confidence rising higher. You have everything you need. Now it is time to begin.